you for calling O'Reilly's. This is Jordan speaking.
Hi, this is Robert Trudell. I was calling. I was looking for 4 batteries for an RV.
Okay.
There, I was looking for an Interstate battery or some matching battery.
Okay. What's the group size for the battery by chance?
I'm not sure. I have the number is a 903HC-S.
Let's take a look real quick. So it's going to be some fleet batteries, right?
It's for a RV. Yeah.
Yeah. So group size 903.
Flooded lead acid.
All right. So let me see what I have for us. So with those batteries right there specifically, the 903s, I would have to get them in store. But you said you needed 4 of them, correct?
Yes. Do you have any of those now?
Not at the moment. Those are all going to be coming from our Chandler location.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like they're going to be all coming from there. I can have them here today by 4:40.
That early, huh?
Yeah, that'd be the earliest I would be able to have them.
That's pretty good. I'm from Ajo too. I could go back that way too if I could pick them up in Chandler, or would it be easier to get them here?
I would assume it'd be a little bit easier here because they would have to get the rest of them in. It looks like they that was my mistake. It looks like they only had the one on hand. I thought they had the multiple. But yeah, the rest of them would be coming from our Phoenix location. So, like I said, might as well just be able to get them here, all 4 of them, instead of having to jump back and forth.
And you think you could get them here today?
Yeah, most of it. I can have them here by no later than 5 o'clock today.
I think that'd be good. What's the price on those?
Let me go back on that real quick. And they're going to be looking at $297.99 a piece.
Okay, and that's what's the part number of that?
It's going to be 8. The number 8. L is in Larry. 16.
That's an Interstate battery number. It doesn't sound like that.
This is going to be our Supe Start battery. We don't carry Interstate here.
Okay. And could you give me the specifications on that?
So the cold cranking you'll be looking at doesn't have the option available. Says it's a 6 volts. And that's all it tells me, unfortunately. It doesn't have much specifications.
Is that a flooded lead acid battery?
Standard flooded, yes.
Could you give me the dimensions on that?
So length, it'll be 11 3/4. Width will be 7 inches. And then height will be 16 and a 16 1/4.
Okay. Do you know if it's usually they rate? I think the one I'm looking for has like 430 amp hours on it. Is that what that is rated for?
So this one has 370 on it.
Okay. 370.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, okay. I'll try them. And you can get 4 of those by 5 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I guess it's not as much, but I guess it's a better price. I'll try those.
Okay, yeah, I'll go ahead and get these on order then real quick. What's a good phone number for you?
It's 480-256-2673.
So 256-2673?
That's correct.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and just create one for you just so we can keep a receipt attached to it and everything. What's your first name?
Robert.
R-O-B-E-R-T. And the last name?
Trudell. Trudell.
All right. Perfect. All right. I have those on order, and then, like I said, they shouldn't be here no later than 5 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
No problem. You take care.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.